Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a garage door remote for a Liftmaster remote control. Replacing the battery is actually very simple on most garage door remotes. So this was the Liftmaster, but most garage door remotes are the same. This is actually really kind of sticky. It's brand new, but basically you just can put a diamond here or a screwdriver. This thing is a real pain to pull apart, so I don't mind admitting, my goodness, I really have to twist this sucker to get it apart. It's got just one battery. It's a CR2032. It's a button battery. There's the button battery. Just replace the little button battery. Pop it in. That's good. And that solid little remote. This is an original Liftmaster, so it's not a universal. It's not whatever. This is a Liftmaster. But boy, let's just try this again. So. Oh, there we go. Probably because it's been off once. So I did it with the dime. It came apart very quickly. But now it's good. It was just brand new. And there we go. Does it work? We can tell it works. Light's still on. So again, first time pulling apart, really stiff. But after that, a little bit easier. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.